Hello everyone, we are going to discuss series parallel resonance circuits and magnetic coupled circuit based objective type question which is asked in some government examinations. First question, this question asked in teacher requirement board 2014. The question is, an RLC series circuit remains predominantly inductive. The options given at resonance frequency, option B below resonance frequency, option C above resonance frequency, option D at lower of power frequency. We will say the answer. In general, we know the conditions when omega equal to omega naught. Omega naught means resonance frequency. When omega equal to omega naught, it is called a resistive circuit. When omega naught less than omega, called inductive circuit. When omega naught greater than omega, called a capacitive circuit. As per this, our answer is option C. So above resonant frequency. So answer C. Next question. This question also asked in TRB 2014. The Q factor of a coil at resonance frequency 1.5 MHz of an RLC series circuit is 150. The bandwidth is option A 225 MHz, option B 1.06 MHz, option C 10 kHz, option D 45 kHz. The solution. So the data given in the question is resonant frequency 1.5 MHz and Q factor 150. In series resonance circuit, that is RLC series resonance circuit, Q factor we have different formulas. Q equal to 1 by R root L by C, and another formula omega L by R, another formula 1 by omega CR, one more formula omega FR by bandwidth, that is resonance frequency by bandwidth. So in the question, they are given only two data. They didn't give any omega L or C values. They only given resonance frequency and Q factor value. So we can calculate bandwidth using the formula of Q equal to FR by bandwidth. So Q equal to resonance frequency FR divided by bandwidth. Q value given 150 and the resonance frequency 1.5 given, that is given in megahertz, so multiplied by 10 power 6 divided by bandwidth value, and we need bandwidth only. The question they asked to calculate bandwidth. So bandwidth equal to 1.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 150. So very difficult to calculate the problem in terms of floating point. So I converted that into normal form. So if I change 1.5 into 10 power 6, this becomes so 15 lakhs divided by 150, you will get 10,000. So 10,000 means 10 kilohertz. So our answer is option C. Next one. This question asked in TNPSC assistant engineer. The question asked in the year of 2018. The question is, in a series RLC circuit, the impedance at resonance, the option given A 0, B R, C infinity, D L by C R. So we will give solution. So this is standard table for comparison of series circuit and parallel circuit. So from this, at resonance in series circuit, impedance is minimum. For parallel circuit, impedance is maximum. So minimum is its value effective impedance equal to R. So according to this question, RLC series circuit, the impedance at resonance is only R. So the answer is B. Next question. Again the same question asked in TNPSC Assistant Engineer 2018. The question is, at resonance frequency, RLC series circuit draws maximum current due to the difference between capacitive reactance and inductive reactance is 0. Option B, the impedance is more than its resistance. Option C, The voltage across the capacitor is equal to the applied voltage. Option D, the power factor is less than unity. Solution. In question given at resonance frequency. So at resonance, X equal to XL. Capacitor reactance equal to inductive reactance. So we can write Xc minus XL equal to 0. According to that, from this option, the first one is the difference between capacitor reactance and inductive reactance is 0. So the answer is A. Next question is based on magnetic coupling circuits. Two coupled coils. So the question asked in TRB 2014. Two coupled coils with L1, L2 equal to 0.6 Henry have a coupling coefficient of K equal to 0.8. The turns ratio N by N1 divided by N2 is option A 4, option B 2, option C 1, option D 0.5. We will see the solution. You know the general formula L proportional to N square. So here we have two inductive value L1 and L2. So we can write as L1 divided by L2 equal to N1 square by N2 square. The question they asked is the turn ratio N1 by N2 only. So I need only N1 divided by N2. If we take square root of that, the square root of L1 by L2 equal to N1 by N2. So that become 0.6 divided by 0.6. Now the ratio become N1 by N2 equal to 1. Now the answer is answer 6. Next question asked in TNPSC Assistant Engineer 2018. The two coupled inductors L1 equal to 0.2 Henry and L2 equal to 0.8 Henry have coefficient of coupling K equal to 0.7. The mutual inductance M. The option given 0.2 Henry, option B 0.28 Henry, option C 0.112 Henry, option D 1 Henry. The solution. You know the formula. Mutual inductance M equal to K square root of L1 L2. The K represents coefficient of coupling, that is 0.7 given, L1 value 0.2 given, L2 value 0.8 given. If you multiply, you will get square root of 0.16. If you take square root of that, you will get 0.7 into 0.4. Then you will get the answer 0.28 Henry. That is answer B. Next question. This also asked in TNPSC Assistant Engineer 2018. So in RLC parallel resonance, the expression for quality factor is A, option A 1 by omega naught RC, option B omega naught L by R, option C omega naught RC, option D L by omega naught R. So the answer for parallel resonance circuit, the general formula for Q factor Q equal to R by omega L, that is for inductive circuit. For capacitive circuit, omega CR, and general formula R square root of C by L. So among this formula, from the option, you can find the option C is correct. So omega naught CR is given here. So answer C. Thank you.